Hello everyone, this is Brady with InVideo, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the Vogue TikTok challenge. If you guys are unfamiliar with this challenge, I'm going to go ahead and put it right up here, but essentially what it is you're going to be taking a video clip of you saying that you're going to try the Vogue challenge, and the next couple images are supposed to be some awesome images of you that you would think could be displayed on the Vogue magazine. Some of you looking very professional, looking really nice, things like that. I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this on an online video editor called InVideo. It's going to save you a ton of time rather than doing it on TikTok where you have to download third-party apps. It is also going to get rid of that TikTok watermark, so if you would want to post it to Instagram, it won't halt your reach or anything like that because you won't have that watermark in the video in the first place. It's going to be super plug and play. All you guys got to do is click that link in the description to follow along, and with that being said, let's get into it. Once you've actually clicked the link in the description, you're going to be greeted with this template right here. So all you got to do is actually sign up for a free account first. It just takes your username, password, email, and phone number. But once you are done with that, you are all good to go, and we're just going to go ahead and click use this template. Once you're actually in the editor, guys, you're going to be greeted with these 4 scenes. The one scene is going to be the video clip that you're going to be recording, and the other 3 are going to be the pictures that you need to actually have on the Vogue magazine. So once you have everything here, you want to go ahead and hit upload media, and you want to upload your clips. Once you are ready, here is the 7-second clip of me actually pointing towards the text. I'm going to show you guys how you can actually move the text around and also change it depending on your background. So all you got to do is drag here. You want to hit replace, and then I'm just going to go ahead and hit use a full video. Now you can make it shorter. There will be a button up here that says something like trim to fit scene, but my video is perfectly 7 seconds long. So I'm going to go ahead and hit use full video. It's going to instantly put it in there, and the text is going to stay the same as you guys can see. But if I would want to move it, like you guys see that I actually point at it, let's say you're pointing up in the video, you can always just drag it and take it up here, or you can even go ahead and change it just by clicking here, and you can see that there are tons of font options for you to choose from. So for example, this text right here, I want to go ahead and actually change the color to actually red for the text. So I'm going to go ahead and drag it over here. It's going to change that to red because obviously the Vogue magazine does have a red title. Just to kind of spice things up, like I said, all you got to do is click on the text and then it'll bring up this edit style. You can even change the font size, everything like that. Everything is pretty straightforward for the text editor. But moving on, we're just going to go ahead and drag it until we actually get to the next scene, which is going to be your images. Now remember, you do need 3 to 4 images. I'm only going to be using 3, and all you got to do is take it, drag and drop it onto here, and you want to hit replace. Now this image is already offset to begin with for the template, so you're going to see as it goes to load in, it's going to be a little offset. So if you want it to actually look even more clean, you can go ahead and move this around like I'm going to do right here, just to make it so it looks like a little bit more professional. You can obviously keep it offset if you want to. It's just really a drag and click, but I'm going to do this for all the other images. Now depending on what you actually want to do with the text, obviously if it doesn't match with the background and the white doesn't look good with the image you chose, no big deal. Again, you just want to click it, and this one is going to be a little bit different than the text editor, but it's still the same process. Go to colors, and I'm going to change this to, let's say, like a blue, like a light blue here, and you're going to see that changes. Now honestly, the white looks pretty good for here, but you know, for some of your guys' images it may not look that good. So let's go ahead to the next one. This one's going to be red, and I'm actually going to go ahead and drag it again, hitting replace. And honestly, maybe I don't like the red. Like I said, I can just go ahead and click here and change everything I need to change, but you know, that's pretty straightforward. The red text is actually really hard to see right here, so I'm going to go ahead and click that. Again, going to change the color to white, and yeah, like I said, it looks a lot better. And actually, I'm not a gal, so I'm going to shade this to like bro power or something like that, because obviously it doesn't make sense. But like I said, everything's very plug and play. You can just double click on things to edit them, and there you go. Let's go ahead and actually give this a watch just to make sure everything's okay. So I have my video with the intro. A lot of people hopped on the Vogue challenge, so I decided to step it up. I actually kept that text the same. I didn't want to change that. Here's the one picture, here's the other one, and finally the third one is a picture of me smoking a stogie, because why not? I went ahead and actually moved my webcam so I could bring attention to this, but there is a live chat support in the bottom left corner where you can actually ask any questions, or you can get any help, whether it comes to billing or even video editing. They're always here to help you. But besides that, guys, you are done. You want to go up to the top right corner, hit download and share, go ahead and go to export. This is obviously going to take you to the menu on where we're going to be exporting. Once this is done loading, it will take a few minutes. You're going to be able to share it instantly by copying the link, or you can just go ahead and download it, post it to TikTok, or do whatever you need to do with it. If you guys found this video helpful at all, make sure you, of course, like and subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell right up here. Also, there is going to be a playlist for all your InVideo needs. Any kind of tutorial you guys need right here. If you guys want to learn how to create more thumb-stopping videos with InVideo, make sure you stick around. With that being said, I'm Brady from InVideo, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.